Hi everyone, welcome back to CSE545 Software Security. In this week, we will start to talk about software vulnerabilities. You may still remember that in the first weeks of participation lab, you were asked to log into the server and type your ASU ID in order to log your participation. And I gave you the source code, and I told you that this program is secure. Actually, the program is not really secure, and there are a bunch of vulnerabilities in the service. In this week, I'm going to show you some of the vulnerabilities, and those are also very common vulnerabilities that you may come across in the future when you program by yourself or when you read other people's code. Before I talk about vulnerabilities, I will first start with Linux file permissions. After I talk about Linux file permissions, I will then start with command line injection vulnerability and directory traversal vulnerability. In the end of this week, I will open the topic of Stack Overflow vulnerability. Stack Overflow is a more comprehensive and more difficult vulnerability than command line injection and directory traversal. I'm not going to finish the entire topics of Stack Overflow in this week. However, this week, you will be able to understand the nature of the vulnerability. In the next week, we'll talk about how to take advantage of Stack Overflow.